Okay? You also come and hold the hula hoop. Get up, boy, get up, boy. Yeah, we need one more. Come here, 7. Okay, now let's find listen to the teacher. Which one is tall? Tall, where's tall? Tall, tall, where's tall? Tall, which one is tall? Tall, which one is tall? Tall, this is thin. Yeah, let's go back, tall. Tall is right here. Okay. Let's all together say we say tall. Very good, thank you. Give me 5, give me 5, give me 5, give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah, give me 5 and say tall. Give me 5 and say tall. Give me 5, give me 5. Yeah, give me 5. Yeah, thank you very much. Let's all together say tall. Alright, this one is tall. Okay, you go and have a seat. Yeah, go and have a seat. Next one. Go. You come and go. Come and go. Come. Let's go together. Come. Let's go. Come. Okay, come. 4x4. Now let's find short. Which one is short? Let's go to short. Which one is short? Where is short? Where's short? Short. Where's short? Yeah. Now let's all say it together. Short. Yeah. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Thank you. You can go back to your seat. Yeah. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Be careful. Give me 5. Yeah. Thank you. Give me 5. Thank you. Give me 5. Give me 5. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. That's good. Let somebody say short. Okay. Good job. Now the next ones. Are you ready? You go. Get some more too. Get some more. Come here. One more. Have one more. Okay. Now let's find fat. Fat. Let's go for fat. Fat. Which one is fat? Fat. Yeah. Okay. Let's all together say fat. Fat. Give me 5. Okay. Give me 5. Give me 5 and say fat. Give me 5. Yeah. Good. Give me 5 and say fat. Thank you. Give me 5 and say fat. Give me 5 and say fat. Fat. Okay, thank you. Go back to your seat over there. Alright, thank you so much. You can go back. Give it to me. Give this one to me. Okay. Let's all together say fat. Very good. Now this time around you're gonna find one more. Get in. Get in the train. Get in the train. Get in the train. Get in the train. Okay. Get in the train. Yeah, you also get in the train. Now we are going to find thin. Say thin. Thin. Say thin. Okay, let's go and find thin. Where's thin? Where's thin? Look around. Where's thin? Thin. Where is it? Thin. Alright, there we go. Okay, let's say together thin. Okay, give me 5. Oh, sorry. Give me 5. Thank you. Give me 5. Yeah, that's thin. Yeah. Thank you. Give me this one. Okay, give me this one.